What's going on, guys? Welcome back to more Food Tales. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Before we get into this video, I need you guys to smash that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe and have your post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's get into this. Alright guys, you guys see the title of the video. Yes, we were making cinnamon rolls, but we're going to be making sticky cinnamon rolls. I'm going to show you how to make an amazing caramel sauce from scratch. We're going to be topping those off with some pecans and Kit Kat, but we're going to be using hazelnut Kit Kat, so I'm super excited about that, guys. The countdown to Christmas is in full effect, so all those sugary desserts are going to be popping up, and my favorite is cinnamon rolls. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to make that. Get your baking skills up just in time for the holiday. Let's get into this video, guys. Guys, I'm going to quickly go over what we have here. We have 60 grams of sugar, we have 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk, a teaspoon of salt, 1 instant yeast package. We have 3.5 cups of flour, a 1/3 cup of melted butter, and 1 cup of whole milk. Let's get started, guys. Alright guys, so I've turned my dough out onto my work surface that has been floured. It's very important to do that. Your dough may be a little sticky, but you want to make sure you don't add too much flour. I added an additional, maybe like a tablespoon of flour. That's about it. So we're going to knead this for 10 minutes, and then you should have a nice cohesive dough after that. And I just shaped it into a ball after, it just makes it a lot easier. We're going to put that in our bowl, hit it with some spray oil, and we're going to hit it with some plastic wrap. Let that rise for about 1.5 hours to 2, and we're going to get our filling all set up for our cinnamon roll. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so it has been officially 2 hours. I am flouring down my work surface. I've just punched down my dough. That's actually my favorite part to do. And what I'm doing now, I'm just kind of using my fingertips just to edge it out. You kind of want to get this into like a square design or square shape. And you want to make sure that you really flour your work surface. So I kind of peeled it back because I felt like it was a little bit sticky. So you can see that's kind of coming towards a square look. And I'm using my knife just to kind of cut off the edges. It just makes it a lot easier when you're rolling your cinnamon rolls. And then the next clip over, you're going to see that I have my butter. So your butter should be very soft. It makes it a lot easier. I have 4 to 5 tablespoons of that. And you want to make sure that you're getting edge to edge coverage. And we're going to start putting in our filling, so stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so we've come to the easiest part of today. We're literally just dropping our filling. You want to make sure you have edge to edge coverage. If there's any little spots, as you can see, I'm kind of just filling them in. And we're going to get to rolling, guys. So we're going to start off at the ends and work our way towards the middle. It's not very hard. You just want to make sure you're doing it as tight as possible. One trick, even when you actually cut your cinnamon rolls, you can actually roll them individually to make sure that they're a little bit tighter. And what I'm going to do with the little excess that's sticking out, I'm just going to cut it with a regular knife. I will be switching to a serrated knife after to make our cinnamon rolls. A lot of people say that you can use dental floss, which you can, but as long as you have a knife that is serrated and it's sharp, you're totally fine. You're going to see that our rolls are perfect and they're not squished, and they're very uniform. So we have our baking pan. We've just smeared that with a lot of melted butter, and all we're gonna do, we're gonna let that rise for around 45 minutes. Hit that with some plastic wrap. As you can see, guys, they're looking very good. I'm super happy with that, and I will see you guys after the 45 minutes. Alright guys, 45 minutes is up and they look perfect. They have doubled in size. We're going to be cooking these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 25 minutes. While that is doing their thing in the oven, we're going to get our icing and our toppings all set up, which is going to be pecans and Kit Kat. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so for the icing, we're starting off with 4 ounces of cream cheese. We're going to be doing 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we're going to be doing, well, in total 3 tablespoons of whole milk. On camera I only showed you 2, but I did add an additional tablespoon because I wanted the consistency to be a little bit more runny. We have a 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, and I'm just adding that in batches so I make sure that I get the correct consistency that I want. And that's it, guys. Stay tuned because the cinnamon rolls are up next. All right, guys, it is all done. So I left it in there for about, I want to say like 27 minutes. We have our toppings over there. We have our icing. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna let that cool down for a bit. And I'm gonna get my caramel sauce all set up and I'm gonna show you how that looks. And we'll let that cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes before we start doing anything with these. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, very quick and easy caramel sauce, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then a 1/4 cup of cream. We're just gonna whisk that together, making sure that you're whisking so it doesn't burn or it doesn't stick. Once it starts to come to a little bit of a bubble, guys, you're gonna see here, you just wanna turn off the stove and you wanna whisk that together. Take it off and let it cool down. We're looking for a sauce, not a hard candy. Let's start topping these up, guys. All right, guys, you see them. Kit Kat, pecans, caramel sauce. Oh, man, they look amazing. Can't wait to get into this. Stick around for the mukbang portion, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, we are all done. We made our cinnamon rolls, and they smell amazing, guys. We have our cream cheese icing right over here. Then we have that nice caramel with the pecans topped on that. And then we have our Kit Kat. It's actually the hazelnut Kit Kat all over this with the icing. And guys, it's not going to be a long mukbang because I'm not going to eat all of this, but I'm excited for this. So I'm actually going to cut open the first one. I'll do this one right over here. I'll show you guys a closer look. All right. So let's cut that. Cut that. Oh, man. Guys, just look at that. Oh, man. It is very soft. Are you ready for this big bite? Oh, I'm excited for this. All right. Okay. One more bite. One more view of that. Oh my God. Just look at that. Nice and soft. Oh my God. Guys, if you have a sweet tooth or you like sweets, wow. Pulling apart. I'm going to give you guys a nice little, look at that. Nice and soft. That was just the regular one. Quickly gonna go into the caramel with the pecans. So I'm gonna cut that one open. Oh man. Oh my God, just look at that dripping. Do you see that dripping, guys? I'm ready for this one. Wow. That tastes amazing. It's so sweet though. It's not crazy sweet, but it's sweet. I'll say that's my favorite so far. Guys, if you're making cinnamon rolls, you have to do the caramel sauce. And this is what I'm excited for, the Kit Kat. So this is the last one, guys. As I said, it's not gonna be a long mukbang. I'm not gonna sit down and eat all of this. This is way too much sweets for me. I don't even eat that much sweets to begin with, but I had to show the people how you make your cinnamon rolls and kind of, you know, add a little flair to it. And Christmas is around the corner. So, you know what? Start getting your baking skills up, guys, because Christmas is all about sweets, right? Oh, okay. Just look at that now, guys. The Kit Kat, let's see how that tastes. Wow. That Kit Kat brings it over the top. Oh man. Wow. That is really good. The Kit Kat was a good idea. Wow. Oh man. I can't even talk right now. Now this is how you make cinnamon rolls, guys. Honestly, guys, this was amazing. It turned out very, very, very good. I'm super happy with how everything turned out. Oh man, that's just so good. It's not overly sweet. I would say the caramel one is just probably the sweetest because there's more sugar topped on top of it. But Everything was really good, guys. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. Showing you how quick and easy it is to make cinnamon rolls. It doesn't have to be a whole 24-hour process. Just takes a couple hours for it to actually rise and proof, and then you're good to go. The caramel sauce honestly took like 5 minutes. Once it comes to a bubble, you're good to go. Everything was very quick and easy. The pecans is an amazing addition. The Kit Kat on top of that is an amazing addition. Let me give you guys one more look at that very quickly. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Before you head off the video, make sure you guys smash that like button. Make sure you guys drop a nice comment for your boy. And make sure you guys are subscribed and having your post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Hopefully I appeased your guys' sweet tooth or gave you guys some new ideas to do for the Christmas season. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at sasha.marvfoodtales. And guys, you already know how it goes. If you're Marv, stay tuned for the next episode. Marv, gang!